Friends, let's be real. Nothing kills a good website faster than slow loading. Your visitors are clicking away before they even see your content. That's exactly what wprocket promises to solve. No complicated setup, no technical headaches, just real results in a few clicks. My name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you exactly how it works. You'll see why it's trusted by millions of websites and how it can transform your site performance without any coding skills. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Folks, wprocket is a performance plugin designed specifically for WordPress sites. Think of it as your personal speed optimization assistant that handles all the technical stuff automatically. Once activated, it enables 80% of web performance best practices on its own. No manual configuration needed, it just works. The plugin is compatible with pretty much every major WordPress theme or page builder out there. Whether you're running WooCommerce, using Elementor, or working with any popular hosting provider, wprocket integrates seamlessly. Friends, it is also worth noting how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to understand caching algorithms or minification processes. The plugin takes care of everything that usually makes a site sluggish, and if you like to have a bit more control, the tool also gives you that freedom. You can explore settings to fine-tune caching, manage how images load, or even enable advanced options like database cleanup and file optimization. Folks, before we start testing wprocket itself, we need to see how fast the site loads right now. I copy my URL and run a scan through GTmetrix. The tool begins the analysis, and after a short wait, the report appears. My grade here is B, with performance around 76%. It is not terrible, but still far from ideal. The page feels slow, and the report highlights several issues that clearly affect the browsing experience. So now that we know where we stand, we can move to the installation. I open the official site, click Get Now, and choose the plan that works for my project. After completing the purchase, I download the archive and head to my WordPress dashboard. Mates, the installation takes almost no time. In the plugin section, click Add New, upload the archive and activate it. wprocket welcomes us with a quick overview. Here we can see account details and access tools like Rocket Insights, which tracks our performance directly inside the plugin. Now let's run another GTmetrix scan without changing any settings. After a short wait, the score jumps to 95%. That alone shows how much the plugin does the moment it becomes active. Some issues remain, so we will fine-tune the settings to make the site even faster. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Let's go back to the panel. The settings in the file optimization section improve how styles and scripts load during the first seconds of browsing. Minification for both CSS and JavaScript is already enabled by default, so the platform starts optimizing files immediately. You can also activate the option to remove unused CSS. This feature will clear away all CSS and style sheets that are not in use on a page, keeping only the necessary styles. Doing so reduces page size, improves load time, and eliminates render block in CSS. Folks, JavaScript optimization works the same way. Minification makes the script lighter, and deferred loading helps the browser focus on the main content first. If your site uses interactive elements, you can delay script execution until the visitor interacts with the page. This reduces the initial load and improves the page experience immediately. After saving the settings, we move to the Media tab. Lazy load is a helpful feature that delays loading images until they appear on the screen. It reduces pressure on the browser and keeps the site responsive. Below image dimensions keeps the layout steady by adding missing size values to your images. Fonts helps the page render faster by loading them directly from your server. Now we open the preload section, friends. Preloading builds a cache for the important pages before visitors access them. This makes the first visit feel faster. There is also link preloading. When a visitor hovers over a link, the next page begins loading in advance. It makes transitions feel almost instant. The Advanced Rules tab gives deeper control over caching. You can specify how long cached files should stay active or exclude certain pages when needed. The Database tab helps keep everything clean. You can remove old drafts, clear temporary records, and schedule automatic cleanups. It saves space and helps the backend run smoothly. Next, we check CDN and Heartbeat. Guys, if you use a content delivery network, you can add it here. The Heartbeat settings help reduce unnecessary background activity. This lowers the server load and keeps the admin area stable. wprocket also includes several add-ons. If your site uses services like Cloudflare or Varnish, you can connect them here. In the image optimization area, the plugin recommends Imagify. It compresses images to reduce their size while keeping them sharp. Now that everything is saved, we run one more GT metrics test. After a short wait, the score increases again. The structure improves, loading time drops, and the page feels significantly faster. This shows how much this plugin can do with a few simple adjustments. Okay, mates, let's wrap it up. After testing wprocket across the site, the difference feels clear. Pages load faster, the layout stays steady, and the browsing experience feels much smoother. What I enjoy most is the balance between simplicity and control. Beginners get instant speed without touching technical settings, while advanced users can fine-tune every part of the process. And if you ever have questions or need guidance, you can reach out to their support engineers. They are responsive and happy to help you get the best results. Friends, if you want to make your WordPress site lighter and easier to navigate, this tool can save you a lot of time. So try wprocket for yourselves and see the difference. How do you optimize your sites? Share your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.